Hello students, welcome to my channel Learn with Usman. Today I am going to teach you about also. How to use it, where to use it and when to use also in our sentences. After this session, you understand how to use also correctly and confidently in your sentences. Let's start. We have four ways. We have different four ways where we use also. The first one is positive sentences. Yes, it is used in positive sentences to show agreement or something in common. Got my point? We have some examples about positive sentences. The first one is Ali speaks English, full stop. After this, Masuma also speaks English. You can see that something is common in this example. Got my point? The second one is I love cake. I also love pizza. Yes. The third one is she likes to eat. She likes to eat. She also likes to cook. Yes. To show agreement in this example or something in common. ठीक है? The second way where we use also is used after to be. Yes, जो second way है उसमें हम to be के बाद, to be form के बाद हम also use करते हैं. अब to be क्या है? Is, am, are, was and were. Okay? Was and were. We have some examples about this rule. She is also going to Lahore. In this example, here is a to be form, or after this we use also, going to Lahore. He was also having a car. In this example, this one was is a to be form, or after this we use also in this example. The third way where or when we use also in our sentences, it comes with verb other than to be, or it comes before single verb form. For example, we have some examples. The first example we have, I also dance. Here we use also. It comes before verb. Okay? Single verb form. Got my point? The second example we have, they also helped us. In this example, it comes also before helped, before single verb form. Got my point? The third is I also cook. Here also before single verb form other than to be. Okay? The fourth way where we use or when we use also in our sentences, it comes after modal verb and before infinitive. It also comes after modal verb. Modal verbs are can, could, would, will. ये हमारे पास modal verbs हैं. ठीक है? For example, हमारे पास कुछ examples हैं, उसके थ्रू इस rule fourth one को हम समझते हैं. He can also speak French. Here we use can. Can is a modal verb. Before also we use modal verb, or after we use also, or before infinitive. Got my point? The fourth one is she can also drive a car. In this example, modal verb. After this also, after modal verb we use also, or before infinitive we use also. Hopefully you understand how to use also correctly and confidently in your sentences. Thank you.